Hi! Today we're going to learn about the law of sines. Let's say we have an example like this. We know the angles, all the angles of the triangle, and we know one side and we want to find the other side. So how do we do this? We use the law of sines, which is sine of A over A equals sine of B over B is equal to sine of C over C. Now, what is A and A? What are those? This is side, and then this is angle. So that goes with everything. So the side always corresponds with the angle. So let's say this is angle A. This will be side A, or it'll be uppercase A. So with that being said, let's figure out the rest of it. So we have sine of 50 over 12 is equal to sine of 60 over question mark. Now, what do we do here? Well, first of all, we cross multiply. So we have question mark sine 50 is equal to 12 sine 60. And if you don't know what cross multiplying is or how to do it, you can go to our other video. So after this, we divide by sine of 50. So I'm just going to erase this because we do know what this is. So then we get question mark is equal to 12 sine of 60 over sine 50. Now, you could put this in the graphing calculator, but most people, they would just leave it like this because you could convert it into an angle, or you can leave it like this, and this is an easier way to put it in. And that's what usually if you're doing on a test you put. But if you really want the side, then you just do it. Then you just put it in your calculator. But most tests are calculator inactive, and that's why we're going to leave it like this. So we figured out what this is. So we get is equal to 12 sine. Let me just erase this part. Sorry about that. I'm running a little out of space. 12 sine 60 over 50. Over 50. And then this one should not be question mark, it should be x. We're also trying to find what x is, and so we're going to do, since we know this is what this is, but we also know what this is, we would use this one because that's a better value to use, because this one is not totally at its full form, it's not at its simplified form, and this one is a whole number, so it's really easy to use. So we're just going to use that. So it would be sine of 50 over 12 is equal to sine of 70 over x. So then we just say x sine 50 is equal to 12 sine 70. And then we divide by, we want to keep x by itself, right? So we divide by whatever it's not. And you can just divide by sine 50, because you have to remember that just because there's a sign in it, it's still a number. It's worth something. Sine of 50 is still a number. If you put it into a calculator, it'll be an irrational number, but it'll be a number. So you divide by sine 50. And so then you get x, and I'm going to erase this other part. equal to 12 sine 70 over sine 50. So we figured out our answers. Today we learned about the law of sines. Thank you for watching this video.